Hello everyone, I am Mariam Tech, watching my channel Mariam Tech. Today I am here's to tokens to T99 tokens will be new tokens and the home page and e-commerce. Click on the buttons and I am here T90tokens.com brand new tokens and brand new videos www.to T99 tokens. Guys, you not say invest to show T99 tokens. I think you join this project and part of community because of video. If you told about T99 tokens,
Welcome to Utensa.
T99 tokens.
Utensa is a new e-commerce platform that comes with a fast payment gateway for entrepreneurs and users. A friendly platform, the sellers can customize their sales styles based on categories such as cars, real estate, IT equipment, sporting goods, fashion, etc. Trade
And the white paper, first of all, see it's all on this white paper. You can see this white paper is beautiful. Our review T99 tokens and the T99 our review to financial authorities and the accept summary and see it's all and the accept mention and contribution benefits and the introduction T99 and swaps to now and introduction to T99 and see it's all and T99 economic and real estate investment exchange and remittance and the see it's all and business partners billionaires and read it's all sports network and coin marketing BS scan PancakeSwap DXC sales and the DEX tools from the Binance Smart Chain and the token generalities and the token names T99 tokens token syllables TNN and total supply 100 TNN and Intel circulating supply 300 TNN and the token distribution and ecosystem to fund percentage and the community development percentage TNN and release schedules and the pre-sales 50% and liquidity 35% provision and total liquidity provision and marketing strategies funds and airdrops to 5% and the before pre-sales sports marketing activities and the token distribution community development and the 5% airdrops 10 5% ecosystem 10% and marketing strategies 10% 20% company reserves and liquidity provision 50% and the white papers to tokens to distribution. First of all, click on the white paper. You can see this beautiful and our review T99 tokens and open these websites and the go to websites to
Welcome to
BSC scan,
Utensa.
BSC scan.
Utensa
Also see this is BSC scan and BSC scan. To first of all click on this BSC scan. You can see this BSC scan our review token T99 and the total supply 100 TNN and holder 6 address transfer 9% and contract address to decimal social profiles and the crypto savings with 60% every year earned while you sleep and the transfers to holders info and contract analytic and the commits and transaction to transfers to 18 days and 12 hours transaction quality and the 1000 and see it's all and go open these websites, go to websites and popcoin chart. First of all click on this popcoin chart. You can see this popcoin chart. See this popcoin chart beautiful our review T99 token T99 token and you get more for profits. This project's value goes to up and goes to moon TN99 token and enter your name address and the tokens of the total supply 1000 and marketing caps includes locks and actual birds and the more and more money and more. Others and also you there's live chart. See this see this value is the live T99 tokens, and go open these websites, and open these websites, solutions to user referral T99 tokens and exchange to e-commerce and e-wallet, e-states and airdrops, pre-sales, ICO and exchange, e-commerce and the e-wallets. And what is T99 tokens? And the TNN is the Unity tokens, digitalized currency. It has been development based on technology blockchain and the Binance Smart Chain BP20. The smart contracts capabilities the anyone and access and see it and the reads it's all. And Utilities, welcome to Utenza economics platform, and open this video and read its projects and see its and T99 to wallets, e-wallets and T99 wallet is an open secure wallet that supports token storage and fast exchange. What makes the T99 tokens and the interesting to videos, the videos, open these videos and read it and see it, watch it. And the T99 roadmaps and the September 2021 phase 2 and phase 2 and 3 and 4 5 read it all. And backed by a billionaire and the Absolute Health on Vipa and Spotted Network, Coin Jacko and the Coin Marketing Cap, BS Scan, MetaMask to look it and see it. And social media to join us now. And now come to down and the okay friends, bye.